Hello guys, how to check version of DirectX installed on your Windows 11 and Windows 10? Which DirectX version installed on your system? Here are the process to check it. Go to run command box, right click on start button and choose run command box, and here type the command DXDIAG and click on OK button. It will open DirectX diagnostic tools. DirectX diagnostic tool, under go to system, and here you will see various aspects of your computer related information. System information will visible here: computer name, operating system, language, system manufacturer, system model, BIOS version, processor, memory, and here you can see your DirectX version. DirectX 12 is installed in your system.